Hello, this is 156 Star Wars, and today it's going to be Flame Libra versus Storm Pegasus. Whoever wins 5 out of 30 faces off with Rock Leon. And I use a transparent launcher. You can see through it, and you can see through it. Let's see the inside of the launcher. 3, 2, 1, let it. I put it on Flame Libra. Seriously, look at that. Flame Libra, because he's a stamina type. Stamina type is really good. And just look at it. That stamina type is already destroying Storm Pegasus, and it just destroyed him in just like a few attacks. Well, listen to bells, listen to a minute. So 3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Am I watching? No one helping me. No one helping me. So, okay, and again, the same thing. What? Did you see the Storm Pegasus just stand up for a second? It was weird. Flame Libra just needs to win one more match. Let it, yeah! Let it. Never mind. Pegasus one match. Well, technically, if Storm Pegasus wins, it's a tie. And then one more battle. If Libra wins, then Libra wins. Let it. My votes are on Flame Libra because this is a stamina type. Stamina types are really good though. But the Rock Leon I want to use for one of those battles is going to destroy that winner because Rock Leon is just awesome at spinning. Slut rip! Well, sorry, you can't see him though. He's right there spinning. Let's go back to the battle. We almost have a winner, and it's Flame Libra versus Storm Pegasus. Flame Libra, go, 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 go! Flame Libra versus Rock Leon. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! You usually see me doing these videos, but I like these like that. Okay. Three, two, one, let it rip. That hurt my knee. This just flew right off and hit my knee. Ow! It went like this. Here, let me get my knee in. Ow. Let's get back to the video. And that really hurt, by the way. If you're wondering. Because I'm 15-year-old and metal hit me. It hurts a lot. Let it rip! I already saw a commercial with Beyblades just right this second. It was kind of funny. Look at it. Incredible balance. And it's a good defense type of blade. Oh, kind of. Okay, who cares? Good battle. Let it rip! Just a retail. Sorry, dude. still going. And it looks like Flame Libra's gonna win. More battle for Flame Libra. Let it rip! Whoa! Did you see that? You had to see that. Rock Leon barely won. This barely. Let it rip! And remember when you guys stream launcher. So, I'll play next month. Well, maybe not. Most likely next month. For the Christmas next month. Right after November. And just look at the Beyblade. Just look at them. Look at the Beyblades and not me, by the way. Okay, round 2. 2-2. The last battle. Let it rip. Last battle. Let it rip. Flame Libra won. See you on my next video with Flame Bull versus Flame Libra. Ooh, good Beyblades. See ya, bye.